In this video, I will quickly show you how to go live on Vercel. First, make sure your project is ready and stored in a GitHub repository. Vercel can import projects directly from Git and create automatic deployments every time you push new changes. Next, go to the Vercel website, sign into your account, and click New Project. Then select the repository you want to publish. Vercel usually detects the framework automatically and prepares the main deployment settings for you. Now, review the settings. If your project uses environment variables, add them before publishing. After that, click Deploy to start the process. Vercel will install dependencies, run the build, and generate a public link for your website. If you want to deploy directly to production from the terminal, you can also run Vercel prod inside your project folder. Once the deployment is finished, your project will be live and anyone with the link can access it. And whenever you push new changes to the connected repository, Vercel can automatically create a new deployment. And that's it. Now you know how to go live on Vercel easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.